Have you ever looked at the price tag of soap or cleaner and thought, why is this so expensive? Or maybe you've wondered about the weird chemicals hiding in the ingredients list. Here's the kicker. You don't need to rely on store-bought products at all. What if I told you that with a few cheap organic ingredients, you could make your own soap and cleaners right at home? And it's not just better for your wallet, it's a game changer for your prepping journey. Let's explore the secret together. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, where being prepared isn't just a habit, it's a way of life. The problem with store-bought products. All right, picture this. You're cleaning your home, feeling productive, and then, bam, you realize you've run out of cleaner. A quick trip to the store later, and not only are you down $10 or more, but you've brought home something loaded with chemicals you can't even pronounce. Feels frustrating, right? But here's the good news. You don't need that stuff. Switching to DIY isn't just about saving money, it's about taking control. Imagine a world where every soap and cleaner in your home was made by you, with ingredients you trust. Sounds empowering, huh? The ingredients you'll need. Okay, let's keep it simple. For soap, grab some coconut or olive oil, lye, and water. Want a fresh scent? A few drops of lavender or citrus essential oil will do the trick. And for cleaners, vinegar, baking soda, and maybe some leftover citrus peels. Yep, that's it. Everything you need for natural, organic cleaning. Cheap and effective. How it's done. A quick peek making soap isn't rocket science. You heat your oils, mix in the lye, carefully though. Pour it into a mold and let it cure. For cleaners, just mix vinegar and water for a spray, add baking soda for scrubbing, and toss in some citrus peel for fragrance. Easy peasy. And the best part? You've now got products that work just as well, if not better, without breaking the bank. But here's what most people don't realize. This isn't just about saving a few bucks or going green. When you make your own soap and cleaners, you're gaining a prepping superpower. Imagine a world where store shelves are empty. No problem, because you've already got the skills to make your own. That's not just smart, that's self-reliance at its finest. So what do you think? Are you ready to ditch the chemicals and overpriced products for something cheaper, cleaner, and totally under your control? Trust me, it's easier than you think, and it's a skill that'll set you apart. Don't forget to check out our previous videos like off-grid cooking, how to prepare meals without electricity, or basic knot tying skills for preppers. Those tips combined with this one can elevate your self-reliance game. And next up, we're talking about cheap and organically gardening for preppers. Learn how to grow your own food on a budget and take your prepping journey to the next level. Hit like, share with your prepper crew, and subscribe to the Prepper's Path. Because preparation isn't just power, it's freedom.